Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the IIT Encoder. So it's been long since we concluded the MongoDB Realm course, and now this time we are back with a new course up to the line, the latest in Unity, the ML API course. So without wasting time, let us get started and get to know what ML API actually is and what we are going to dive into. So Google ML API. So it is the latest Unity multiplayer networking solution. There are other Unity networking solutions like Mirror, then Photon, and there are others also which are third-party assets. But Unity released its own networking solution, which is kind of without much documentation. There are this examples like Boss Room, Bit Size Sample, Develop with. There are some examples and tutorials, but they don't explain you how you can actually implement in your project. So in this video and in this whole course, we will be explaining you multiple aspects of the ML API which you can use easily and get started. So you can go to documentation. So what is ML API? Unity ML API is a mid-level networking library. So we will proceed to installation. So first of all, go to Unity Hub. If you haven't downloaded Unity Hub, you can look up any video on how to get started with Unity. And you can, of course, you need to know the basics to learn this networking solution. But I will try to cover as much in depth as I can, including the basics. So go to Unity Hub, click on New, give any name to your project. And for this project, we will be actually creating 2D project. So just create 2D, write your name such as ML API demo or something. I have already created a project called ML API course. So after you have created the course, after you have created the project, it will take some time to create it, and then it will be like this: a blank screen with a sample scene and a main camera. So if you already know how the basics of Unity, you must be have a created project. So the next step will be to import ML API. So go here, install Unity ML API. So it gives the GitHub URL of how to install ML API. So in 2021, use a package manager to add by name. So of course, if you haven't, I guess you are a software developer and you mostly have Git installed in your PC. But if you don't have it, you can just go to Git website and install it. Won't be covering that in the video as I have already covered that earlier. Next, you can copy this. So this is basically the Git URL from which we will be importing our ML API project. And for Unity 2019, this the package path remains the same. So it is in preview package. So that means it is not yet released. So let's go to here. So go to window, package manager, let it load the packages. So in this video, we will be clicking on plus and then add package from git URL, paste the URL that we just copied and add. So it will take some time, then it will install the package. So let it do that. You can actually do alongside with this project, as we will in the end be building a small application which runs over network, and we will also go in depth to cover various things. If you are using a normal HDD, it will take a lot of time, as I have tried on a HDD. Unity create project creation and all takes a lot of time. On SSD it is quite fast, so this is the current speed that I get with SSD. Okay, so as you can see that the ML API library is imported now. So let's close it. We should have in packages on ML API network. There are there should be examples somewhere in here. If you want, we can locate them. So editor, runtime. Okay, there were examples somewhere. I kind I can't find them now. You can actually locate them wherever they are. So actually Unity gives you some simple packages like Pong and other simple, very simple applications which do not explain you anything about how you can use them. Okay, so without wasting time, let us get started. So this is just an introduction video, so I think I'm gonna end it with just a small gist of how ML API works, and we will start the project in the next video. So what we will be doing here is, see, getting started with UML API. This is the basic documentation which I referenced along with other forums and all to grab the peer to actually learn ML API. Then I also visited Dapper Dino's video series, but they didn't explain actually what I wanted, like spawning different players, network variables, RPCs, commands, everything I will be covering in this video on how you can actually use them to make your game, how you can work it on a LAN, how you can work it for Android, and how you can work it over the internet. So stay tuned for this course, and if you have any suggestions, any videos, any comments, or anything you would like to add or anything, you can just leave them in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Stay tuned.